so tired. I'm just gonna change and go make breakfast. Perfect. Now let me go make breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna pour Tari, our dog, some kibble. Ooh, I know what to make. How about I make some bagels? Okay, now time to get Claire's bottle. I need some coffee, so let me make some. Okay, well, I'm gonna put the milk back. Yum. Okay, for me, well, I'm gonna grab the salad mix. Maybe some fresh tomatoes with it too. Not these bell peppers, tomatoes. Okay, here's the tomato. Okay, let's go cut these tomatoes. Salad complete. And for Michael, since I don't have time, I'll just give him a plain baguette. Time to wake up the kids. Morning, Meadow. Time to wake up. I made bagels. Ruby, time to wake up. Morning. Wake up, Lance. Brush my teeth now. Sure. Rinse the sink when you spit. It's quite disgusting when the toothpaste gets over. Okay, well, I need to go brush my teeth. Man, it's cold. Come on, Meadow, let's brush our teeth. Okay, sissy. Okay, get your toothbrush and toothpaste. Yay, sure. Are we gonna wash our face next? Yep, we are. Water's freezing cold. I know, right? I'm gonna change my clothes now. This is perfect. I need a poop. Meadow, go change, okay? Okay. What should I wear today? This is perfect. Gargle, wake up. Hi, Claire.
Lance, bro, what are you doing in there? Give me a second, I'm going poo. Man, I have to shave my beard. Finally, I'm done. Now I have to brush my teeth. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna change. What should I wear? This is okay. Okay, Amethyst, let's go down now to go get things ready. I already did, but sure, we can go down. Okay, let's just sit down already and wait for the kids to finish. Don't you think Ruby needs a new room? Like, she's shared a room with her brother her full life. Think about it. I feed Claire her bottle.
Doesn't that taste yummy, Blair?
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Let me move Atari's kibble bowl so she can eat with us.
These bagels look delicious. Oh, go sit down, guys, and enjoy your bagels that I made.
These bagels look delicious.
And they taste delicious, too.
Meadow, stop watching your game and eat your bagel.
Whatever. I'm just gonna keep playing
Meadow,
my game.
you aren't. That's why I'm taking your iPad.
Wait. Ow! My tooth came out.
Oh, she's gonna have a panic attack.
That's her first tooth.
Ooh, wait. That means I get to get money from the tooth fairy. Yay!
Oof.
Hey, I'm getting money from the tooth fairy. I'm getting money from the tooth fairy.
I can't remember the last time the tooth fairy gave me something.
You say tooth fairy like that. The tooth fairy's real.
Okay, Meadow, gargle this so it stops bleeding.
Ready? Stop bleeding. Yay! I'm gonna go play games on my iPad.
Okay, I'm gonna watch dishes. So, yeah. Let's speed this up. I'm finally done with all the dishes. A little while later, I'll put the tooth under your pillow and the tooth fairy will come later tonight. You have to be asleep though, okay?
Hey, and the tooth fairy will give me money, right? Can I buy whatever I want? How much money do the tooth fairy will give me?
Yes, the tooth fairy will give you money. And I think $10. Okay, I turned on your night lights, so good night, Meadow. Have a good night's rest. Okay, let me walk back to my room. Ring, 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 ring. Okay, time to put the money underneath her pillow. Okay, let me go get the money out. Perfect. Now let's go creep over to Meadow's room. I'm definitely the tooth fairy. Okay, let me go put it under her pillow real quick. Okay, perfect. Let me go back.
Oh my gosh, I got $10 from the tooth fairy. Oh my gosh, I got $10 from the tooth fairy. I need to tell everyone about this. Oh my gosh. Mom, Dad. I got $10 from the tooth fairy. Sissy, brother, wake up. I got $10 from the tooth fairy. Okay, let me buy something. Let's see. Yay, my candy came. Yay. Ooh, let me eat it right now. I'm so excited. I just need to eat it right now. This is so good. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. This is so good. Oh my gosh, this candy is so good. This is exactly what I wanted.